guys, we're going to be reviewing the Xbox Series X. So well, first off, basically what comes in the box is a controller, HDMI, the console, of course. Alright, let's open this. Alright.
Get that premium opening experience. Make sure it's facing me.
I think it is. Yeah. Just got. Oh wait, I think there's another one. Hello, there's two more.
There's two more.
It's like some duck, clear duck.
Clear duck. Not even tape, just clear duck.
Clear duck. Alright.
So now we're with this.
There
we go.
Can't see.
I can't see either.
But,
Gee!
now that is what you call. Alright, so what you get in the box is how to put batteries in the controller.
Okay, 2 pieces of foam.
We'll put those back just for now. Box. Alright, in this box you get a controller,
A piece of foam.
which you get batteries. Okay.
Design, make sure
The new this
It's focusing on my face. Is it still trying to focus on my face?
the new design. There we go, it's focused. The new design. Oh yeah. Feels nice too.
You got your HDMI cable. This one is
The one that
listed
supports.
as ultra fast. When the one for the Series S, the smaller one, is listed as super fast. So this one's supposedly faster.
Yeah, and this console goes up to 4K, but the max it goes up
120
to
FPS.
8K. And it's 120 FPS.
Probably not 120 FPS at 8K.
But we finally get 120 FPS.
Yeah, consoles
After so
finally
long.
get it.
So it was always PC.
Yep. That's why PC could only be like, yeah, I get better FPS.
Okay.
Nice one.
No, but console.
Yeah, it's like 9.6 pounds, like 9.8 pounds actually.
Power your dream. Damn, this is really like Christmas.
Got a pretty package.
Oh damn. Oh damn. Make sure I open it properly the way it's supposed to work.
Okay, let's get it back Sunday.
Then here's the beautiful
Xbox
Series X. And oh yeah, like I got this stuff right. Okay, so there's not a lot of light. Alright, so right there is the storage expansion. You got your Ethernet. You got 2 USB ports right there.
3.1 Type A.
Are they? Alright, what else? I can't really see. I think this is another one right here. Yeah, that's another one. Power. And then let's turn it to the front. You got USB port, disk drive, and then I think that's how you
Connect your controller, yeah.
Yep. Alright. So
You mentioned the beautiful logo.
I don't think anyone needs to know what the logo looks like. Alright, then put this.
Wait, did it come with batteries?
Yeah, Duracell. They always do. Beautiful. There it is, powering it. The controller. Gotta cover his face.
Yeah, because it really likes focusing on my face.
This beautiful controller. Alright. What's next?
Plug it in, power it on.
You got a point. We'll be right back. Well, hello. We're back. Can't do the setup right now because this camera's microphone picks up the Wi-Fi signal and it makes like a weird noise to the mic. So if you hear that, it wasn't fully unplugged, so that whole part of the video might have, but it's okay. So I can't do the setup right now, but I also gotta mention a few more things about this console.
Oh yeah, let me get along with you. Oh yeah,
don't think that unplugs.
Those are good. Good enough. Oh, it's the old one, don't worry. Alright, we'll put it over there, can't see. Can't see. Alright, so. Forgot to mention, this has a 1 terabyte SSD. That's it. Oh yeah, it runs on an AMD processor. Graphics, I don't.
Ryzen GN.
Is it? Oh, it's a Ryzen as well. Ryzen graphics.
Wait, no.
Is
Can
it
I
off?
see your phone?
Is it off? Okay.
Can I see your phone? It has to be on it.
So, it's a really good console. The storage expansion space, you can add another terabyte, I think, and that's another like $200 for it, which is expensive, but it's fine. And other than that, I'll just move this to the side and show you the comparison between the two controllers. What?
Go ahead and do that, and then I'll read this.
So here's original Xbox One controller. You can kind of see a difference. Come on, get off your face. Yep, there. It's not flat up here. There's not a button here. The grip, there is no grip like there is here. There's a grip there. It's flat. D-pad's more up and more clicky. Huh?
It rips. This
Yeah.
D-pad's slippery.
That D-pad is slippery, this D-pad's not. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the video. And I know it's short, but I'm not like those other viewers that have PlayStation 5 and X or Series X.
And you can't.
That's the next video. That's another video. But I think he wants to say a few things about it.
Yeah. A couple, like, more details on the specs here. It's a 3.8 gigahertz AMD Zen 2 base processor. Our GPU is a 12 teraflop AMD RDNA 2 GPU with 52 compute units, 16 gigs of RAM, and that's about it. Yeah, I said, and that's about it.
Yeah, it's very compact console. Might not look
Sexy
small,
look.
but it is. But I think also the bottom says something that says Xbox with a big line that says hello from. That said hello from Seattle.
Hello from Seattle.
Yeah. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for this video. Sorry it was so short, but it is what it is. So thank you guys for coming. And I hope you guys enjoyed this Xbox Series refrigerator.
I hope everyone can get one of their own before Christmas. It's good boy. Good boy.
It's very hard to get. This console is extremely hard to get. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are having problems. So is the PlayStation 5. That's what I'm going for next.
That's the next one.
Yeah, because of the PlayStation 4. Now next. Alright. Catch you on the next video. If you want to see me again, go to his channel. I'm going to be there reviewing a 1030. If you guys want to watch that video, just go to his channel via the link description below or right here. Yep. It's going to be a very interesting video. What? You don't like GeForce?
I know, is that because you don't like cheap products?
True. Alright, well, catch you on the next video.
Sayonara.
Let me get a room with you, oh yeah. Feeling in the zone with you, oh yeah. Trying to get a piece of you, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get a room.